Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Gear of War E-Day Fatal Error. The game has crashed and you will close low level. So basically, this will be a step-by-step guide, so follow along to fix this problem. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam right over here, and let's get to the basic troubleshooting steps. Basically, click on your library right over here, click on eDay or your game, right click on it, click Properties, on the left panel, click on Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. What it's going to do, it's basically going to fix any corrupted files or any files that might be missing, and basically wait for it to finish. As you can see, Verify Integrity of Game Files, and this is what it should look like, successfully validated. Once done, exit this out and relaunch your game. If the problem still persists, let's move on to the next step. The next step is basically updating your GPU, since it might be a graphics error that might cause the crashes or even the errors. Basically, click on your arrow right over here on the bottom right click on an NVIDIA, click on NVIDIA app, wait for NVIDIA app to launch. As you can see, this is the window that will pop up. Over here on the left panel, just go ahead and click on drivers right over here and click on the latest available driver for your GPU. As for me, this is the latest one. As you can see, released July 28th, and click on download. Once you click on download and do the installation process. As you can see, this is very quick, as NVIDIA has a very quick download time for any GPU. As you can see, downloading 90%, 100%, wait for it to finish, and it will have an installation button. Once the installation button is right over here, just go ahead and do the installation process and restart your PC right over here and relaunch your game from Steam. But if the game still persists to have the issue with crashes and the error, what I recommend is basically disabling any active background overlays from Discord, GeForce Experience, as you can see on the settings right over here. If you have NVIDIA overlay right here, even on Discord, this causes a lot of crashes and error for your game. So basically, go ahead and just relaunch or disable overlay for Discord or any overlays that might have on any of your application and relaunch the game. Next is basically on Steam again, click on library once more, right click on your game, properties, this time on general on the left panel, and launch options, basically -DX11, and relaunch your game. If the problem still persists, we have one solution. Right click on your game once more, manage, browse local files. This will open up your folder for your game, find the executable file for the game, and it should be application on the type, as you can see, to confirm as it is an executable file. Right click on the game, properties, compatibility, run, and make sure to run this program as an administrator is checked, and disable full screen optimization. Basically click on this and make sure they have both checks. Click on apply, okay, and launch the game from the executable folder. Once it's fixed, congratulations. Again, if this video helped, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.